Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called haptics or haptic, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have list of vibration intensity levels, and we have off. If you select this option, the vibration will be disabled. Next we have standard, and then strong. Select the one you like, and once you do, tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.